Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the device so the reset completes cleanly. First, plug the phone in and ensure it's at least 80% charged. This prevents interruptions. Once charging, back up your photos, contacts, and app data to a cloud or PC because factory reset erases everything. Make sure you know your Google or Apple ID and password and remove any SD card. Now, with prerequisites set, power the phone off and get ready for the recovery or settings route described next. You now run the actual reset. If the OS boots, go to Settings, System, Reset Options, then tap Factory Data Reset and follow prompts. This is the cleanest path. If the phone won't boot, use the hardware method. Press and hold power plus volume down or up, model specific, to enter recovery mode. Once in recovery, navigate with volume keys to wipe data/factory reset and confirm with power. This removes user data and returns the system to factory state. Once done, reboot the phone. You finish by rebooting and completing initial setup. Sign in with the original Google or Apple account to bypass activation locks. Once booted, restore your backup selectively so you don't reintroduce corrupted settings, and update apps and system software. If the reset fails or the phone is stuck in boot loops, try a forced reboot or battery disconnect if possible, repeat the recovery key combo, or use the manufacturer's official recovery/flash tool. That troubleshooting step usually resolves most persistent issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.